Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after the first week we had in crypto in green, the second week also is doing well and we are in green yet again. My name is Mike from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoins, LFT, DeFi gems to keep you educated and updated about crypto, because this is the evolution of the money and the evolution of the internet. So we are here for crypto. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. And also be sure just subscribe to the channel and push the bell notification all. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts. You see that most of the coins are in green, but Flare, this is the airdrop coin for XRP holders, is 50% down, and Hex is down almost 15%, and FTT token down 5%. But Aptos, ApeCoin, Shiba, GMX, Chiliz are pumping, and Bitcoin is up 1.6% and consolidating below 17,000 US dollar, and Ethereum is up 1.6%, and Binance coin also doing well. So good to see that also the major altcoins, the top 20 altcoins are in green. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 26, so still in the fear zone, not too much happening here. We spent almost the entire last year in the fear zone, but maybe some sentiment is getting better. So let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin price holds 17,000 US dollar into Fed Powell speech as GBTC jumps to multi-month highs. So that was a speech from the Fed chairman Jeremy Powell, and also we are waiting the next CPI data coming on Thursday. And Bitcoin rejecting at crucial area as Powell's speech is approaching yesterday and simply crucial resistance zone. Probably sweep towards 17,100 before another bounce towards 17,500. So guys, that was not a dip to these levels, but we started to bounce towards 17,500 for bearish divergence, or we long at 16,900. Good volatility, lots of dips on altcoins too. So that was the plan, but that wasn't any bounce to those levels. So the rally continued towards the upper resistance levels, and the next range is 16,000 and 17,000 and 17,600 in the next couple of days. Also, the DXY started to going down, so that was a surprise starting this week. And the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount reverses despite investors' pressure. So a lot of things going on. Grayscale investors making pressure on DCG that they want to convert their shares into real Bitcoin, and that will cause the premium to disappear. Okay, Grayscale parent company Digital Currency Group continued to field criticism amid concerted efforts from investors to regain access to their cash, and not to their cash but to their bitcoins, and that is why the GBT discount started to diminishing. Okay, next piece of news. Also Cameron Winklevoss. There is no path forward as long as Barry Silbert remains CEO of DCG. So they want to be removed Barry Silbert from the DCG. Next, bull trap analyst who called the last collapse says crypto rally will turn into massive correction. Who is that? Nothing else than Crypto Capo. And let's quote: zoom out, ask yourself why I'm buying here. It's because of FOMO, fear of missing out. You are seeing random altcoins having random pumps, same as have been happening since the start of the downtrend, and you feel the need to buy. You could think this might be the bottom. However, there is not a single bullish confirmation yet, according to Crypto Capo. Just look, it's there right before your eyes. Bearish trend is intact. Bitcoin and most of the market are testing broken supports as a resistances. We have seen this over and over. I'm not buying. So he's arguing that Bitcoin is still in downtrend and just doing this doing these bear flags. But I see a sign that these bear flags are smaller and smaller, and also the downward movement is getting smaller. So yes, 12,000 Bitcoin is still in the cards, but also we do have a chance to get a trend reversal here. And S&P 500, at time of writing, the S&P is at 3,900, but S&P also consolidating in a bear flag and pointing down to 3,200. Odo Capo is bearish. Fellow crypto strategist Kaleo says the market rally is just starting. This rally is just getting started. Send it higher, and he expects Ethereum will enter the $1,500 price range later this month. That would be amazing, because then altcoins will follow. Next piece of news: analyst who called May 2021 Bitcoin crash says BTC on track for major breakout. Here is how high it could soar. Oh, I like this image. I like this image. So Dave the Wave, BTC could a technical move over the next month or two be sufficient to break the longer term diagonal of resistance. On track so far. So he's a longer term diagonal resistance. I think he is thinking these levels and maybe these diagonal levels, or yeah, so that levels. Also he uses Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci's, and then actually Bitcoin bounced perfectly at the 50% Fibonacci from the cycle low in 2019, and the cycle top, the last all-time high. And if I'm just right, yes, Bitcoin bounced at the 50%. So I like this chart. Periods of times BTC price has been below the weekly Gaussian channel. Nothing too drastic here. So here is this Gaussian channel, and we are below that, and this is normal and not drastic. Only the basis of the LGC, which has stood the test of time for 4 years, BTC could easily do a 10x over the next couple of years. LGC is the logarithmic growth curve LGC model, indicated Bitcoin could ascend to 160,000 by January of 2025. So Bitcoin to 250 or 160,000 by 2025. Cool. I like this pros and cons. Definitely interesting to watch, which will be unfolding. Analyst warns of $2.3 billion elephant in the room for Bitcoin. Here is what he means. Also great image. So Nicholas Merton, the host of Data Dash, and he is arguing that empty Gox trust is going to cause the price of BTC to dip, or more specifically, what's more relevant is whether or not the long-awaited unloading of this Bitcoin back to its original holders is going to happen due to pressure from those holders to be able to finally get access to that Bitcoin. So Mt. Gox is the first Bitcoin exchange from Japan, and it was hacked, and almost 200,000 or 130,000 BTC are waiting to be unlocked, and there is the fear on the market that some part of those Bitcoins will be dumped on the market. And I think, let's quote from Nicholas, I think it's going to mean a brutal amount of sell-side pressure. People who have had Bitcoin since back when it was double, triple digits, just a couple dozen dollars or a couple $100, and they are going to want to start to take profits because they feel that Bitcoin is an asset is done for. Yeah, so somebody will feel, but somebody will remember that Bitcoin was at all-time high, almost more than 3 or 4 times from here, and then they don't want to sell. But this is just my guess. Next piece of news is Coinbase to slash 20% of workforce in second major round of job cuts. So Coinbase is cutting a fifth of its workforce following an 18% staff reduction in June. So 18% in June and not 20% in January. Brian Armstrong pointed to recent pressure on the crypto sector thanks to unscrupulous actors in the industry, referring to bankrupt exchange FTX and its founder Sam Bankman-Fried. The FTX collapse and the resulting contagion has created a black eye for the industry, Armstrong says, adding that there is likely more shoes to drop, and also he is preparing for crypto winter, and so this is not good, but this is happening. And also, guys, I don't know why so many layoffs at Coinbase. If you are contacting the Coinbase support, it takes 2 or 3 weeks that you get a response. So I don't think that they should firing people and providing poor customer support. But let's go and check out our major news of today, that Microsoft considered 10 billion investment in ChatGPT creator. This is huge. ChatGPT has crowned a year of advances for AI applications. OpenAI already working on next generation of technology. So guys, definitely check ChatGPT out because it's insane. Also, you can trade crypto. I saw a trade setup that they made, almost 30,000% trading Bitcoin with using ChatGPT. So great tools. Definitely we should learn about that. And also Microsoft investing, and Microsoft eyes 10 billion bet on ChatGPT and how they will execute. Microsoft infusion would be part of a complicated deal in which the company would get 75% of OpenAI's profits until it recaps its investments, to the people said. So first, Microsoft will get 70% of all the total profits, and after that they will be like a shareholder, but first he will take most of the revenue and profits from ChatBTC. I don't know it's a good deal for OpenAI or not, the developer of the ChatGPT, but I have a guess that some AI related crypto assets will skyrocketing. So let's go and let's visit, let's see the coinmarketcap.com, and we will check the AI things here. So okay, so we are here, and okay, so let's go filters. Now we have filters, and how can I industry and AI and big data. And here you go, guys. Graph, GRT, Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol, and many others. And guys, check out. I don't want this playbook here. Check out the 1 day, 1 week profits. Graph 22%, Fetch AI 90%, Ocean Protocol 45%, Singularity 84%. So guys, these are insane profits. So we will definitely look into AI crypto companies, because if Microsoft and VCs are jumping into AI startups, also AI related crypto projects will skyrocket. But also don't FOMO in, just wait some pullback, and we are laddering in some positions. So that's huge, and let's go and check out our next news. Ethereum based altcoin witnesses largest spike in whale activity in nearly 18 months. Analytic firm Sentiment says this, and after its modest 10% plus price spike after its last whale activity spike on December 30th, Quant has now shown a much larger amount of whale transaction on its network today. There are 187 Quant transactions valued at 100,000 plus. Today, its largest in 70 months. So whales activity is insane. That shows us that whales are accumulating Quant. So the price action of Quant is not any special. So now starting to breaking up from from a ascending triangle. So I'm really interesting to accumulating some Quant. Crypto markets are continuing their steady 2023 recoveries, especially Ethereum and altcoins. After some separation between the S&P 500 and Bitcoin following the FTX implosion, the two remain very correlated. A correlation break would be good for BTC. So now S&P 500 and Bitcoin are still correlated, but Ethereum and gold are not correlated to S&P 500 anymore. And definitely we should check out Quant. Next, Binance's annual revenue grows 10x in 2 years. So what an increase. Quarterly estimated revenue still dropping back from the 2021 bull market, but still at higher levels, and just compared to 2018 or 2019. That's insane. Market share of volume, you see that in 2022 Binance has more than 57%. He's possessing more than 57% of the market. That's huge, and that's not healthy. So I like Binance, but it's not healthy. Coinbase 16%, and Huobi, OKX 9%, 2%, Uniswap 5%, and others. And maybe some Binance FUD will come, as we got some news. Next, Dubai Free Zone, now home to more than 500 crypto startups. So Dubai, a dedicated hub for local crypto entrepreneurs, attracted twice as many digital asset startups last year than in 2021. So Crypto Center, the group told brokers, which would mean around that was 150 crypto related startups. So from 150 now they have 300 startups. Virtual asset regulatory framework is clear in Dubai, so that's backed by a strong regional macroeconomic landscape. DMCC has been efficiently accelerating its growth strategies throughout 2022, focusing on supporting its members companies in highest impact sectors such as Web3 and blockchain technologies, commodities, and global trade. So guys, that's good news. We are going to into Dubai to a conference, so let's catch up and meet there. Next piece of news is, yes, why Justin Sun's stablecoin USDD is struggling to maintain its dollar peg. So guys, USDD is a stablecoin on Tron, but not backed with fiat like USDT, USDC, or BUSD, but it's an algorithmic stablecoin backed by special algorithms and also some crypto assets. And it can just depegging. So the stablecoin is consolidating, testing its 3% leeway set by the system. Also, there are some rumors just Justin Sun withdraw 1.1 billion US dollar and there are some rumors going on. Also Huobi, but I don't want to give any FUD fuel here. Let's check and be sure that you are withdrawing your crypto from, not just from Huobi, but from each and from every exchanges, because then if you are storing your crypto on your ledger, this is the safest that you can do. So let's go and check out our next news. Flare tokens airdrop to XRP holders after 2 years. FLR price plummets, so dropped 50% after the distribution. It seems to be that lack of liquidity on major exchanges like MXC, OKX, and KuCoin, and we'll see. But if you got these Flare tokens, that congratulations, it was one to one to XRP. Next piece of news is Digital Currency Group under investigation by US authorities, says this report. And also Gemini Exchange is going after DCG. DCG has a strong culture of integrity and has always conducted its business lawfully. We have no knowledge of reason to believe that there is any Eastern District of New York investigation into DCG. Yes, hopefully they are working according to the law, but Winklevoss brothers are just going after DCG. Lightning Network, yeah, especially because Genesis, the lending arm of DCG, is owning I think 900 million US dollar to Genesis, and Genesis, not Genesis, but Gemini and Gemini clients. Lightning Network gets physical form in Australia with Bitcoin ATM. So Lightning Network is a Bitcoin layer 2 solution that making cheap and fast transactions on Bitcoin with Bitcoin, and crypto ATM's number net changes. You see that also this crypto winter some ATMs was removed, but this Lightning Bitcoin ATM can be a really useful thing. Next, the Genesis block, the first Bitcoin block. Today marks the 14 years anniversary of when Satoshi Nakamoto mined the first Bitcoin block. So that was this anniversary. Just I forget to mention you or forget to show you this. The first Bitcoin block was mined 14 years ago. So Bitcoin is still in a teenage and just developing further. So guys, let's go and check out what's happening on Twitter. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler on Twitter, and also follow at Corion platform, and also follow at laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad project. And if you are active on the in the Laserpunk Twitter, then you will get definitely whitelist places, so be active on Laserpunk Gods Twitter. So visit Corion first, but we were talking about. So here is this Laserpunk, engaged in the tweet, retweet, and also be active in the community. That you will get a chance to get on the whitelist. Our latest video is out, and the next news is that Nigeria wants to create stablecoin legal framework and also legal framework for crypto ICOs. So crypto adoptions rate in Nigeria is one of the highest in the world. Therefore, it's important to find the way to support the further adoption of stable coins. Give a like and share. I can believe it's happening. Some Bitcoin metrics are showing some signs of breakout, like the RSI, and also that was a rejection of these 10 following moving averages, and that was a sign in 2018, 2019 that the market is reversing. And it's happening, or we are very close happening. Microsoft investing 10 billion in OpenAI chat. So guys, listen this.
Microsoft is reportedly in talks to invest $10 billion in OpenAI. That's the creator of ChatGPT, the app that has gone viral since its release last month. This would give OpenAI a $29 billion valuation. Semaphore first broke this story, and right now we've got the details from.
So guys, that's huge. Give a like and share. Also, Jim Cramer was on CNBC Squawkbox, and I think I use Jim Cramer used to be the best contraindicator in crypto, so do the opposite what he's saying. He's saying that crypto as NFTs are worthless, and I don't think anyone should be in any of these cryptos and NFTs. Microsoft investing 10 billion in OpenAI ChatGPT, and also get out of this. Let's see. Turn it around. Don't sell at the end of the Bitcoin bear market, then buy instead. That makes sense to me. So not selling at the bottom, but buying. Lots of argument on crypto Twitter. Either the bear market is over or capitulation is ahead of us. I find this chart from Crypto.com quite interesting. Here are the cycles and the 4-year cycles, and you see the red dots are the all-time highs and the green dots are the cycle bottoms, and we are at the cycle bottoms as we are watching these cycles every year. November 28 used to be a cycle bottom, not every year, in every cycle, every 4th November. Give a like and share. Some similarities in Bitcoin monthly charts: 2011, 2015, 2018 and 2023, just entering these huge rising wedges. Gaming has over 10x the unique active wallets than DeFi. So gaming wallets is 10 times than DeFi wallets, and this is huge because gaming will also outperforming DeFi. A year ahead crypto report, watch out, quite interesting, from Delphi Digital. Okay, generative AI. So these are AI projects that are definitely watching. Happy 14th anniversary, and you see the Bitcoin price high going since the 14th anniversary. Is the Bitcoin miners capitulation over or still yet to come? As miners are not selling anymore, we can suppose that miners are not capitulating anymore. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. Let's go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, buy some CorionX and provide liquidity in the liquidity pools, and lock up your LPs and earn up from 100 to 300% juicy APRs. And use our farms, use our bridge, and enjoy our DeFi. So you find everything in the description. So guys, let's go and check out what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin is going to the heading to the upper trend line of this bear flag, and we'll see if we do have an open long position. We took some profits, and we are closing this long position here. Maybe not the total amount, but most of the position we will closing in profits. And if Bitcoin will break out this 16,000 almost 700 US dollar levels, that we will let this trade going to the higher levels. But also we are preparing some shorts here. So this is what we are doing on the Bitcoin charts, and also we are shorting Gala, and we are also eyeing with Dogecoin. So definitely charts looking good for further continuation as we are heading into the CPI data release. So guys, be sure to come, follow and provide some liquidity on our farms and earn the juicy APRs. Follow me and Corion platform and Laser Pangats on Twitter. Be active in the community, and also join our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.